Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we will explore cleansing techniques and how clearing the codes within us can open the door to greater freedom in our lives, and how it could help release us from persistent illnesses and recurring problems, and also allow us to expand our consciousness and tap into extraordinary abilities. If people do not have their health in order, they must constantly focus on their biological state. In that case, they have virtually no chance of developing any higher abilities. They must deal with health, and as a result, they have neither the time nor the energy to develop their abilities. When you have enough strength, you can act freely. You can influence the entire system, for example, for reducing suffering or increasing the abilities of your mind. Alternatively, you can focus on much more important tasks of consciousness. You can explore deep philosophical questions of being. Of course, it is entirely your choice what you focus on. Everyone is occupied of something, whether they want to be or not. Simply by focusing, you are engaged. So cleanse yourself, and what you do with it afterward is up to you. This will greatly expand your freedom and significantly increase your chances of developing extrasensory abilities.